Many parents have put a lot of thought into how they can get their kids into the kitchen. Well, this mom started a whole company to get the young, and the young at heart, inspired to cook.
My name is Seema Shenoy. I'm the CEO and founder of Chef Avenue.
Seema's life goal is to create sustainable, multifunctional cookware for her son's generation, and for the rest of us too. Chef Avenue is releasing their first product soon, called the Omnipan, and lots of people are already looking forward to getting their hands on one, and for good reason. So, take us away, Seema. Tell them what the Omnipan does.
Omnipan is a product that lets you do pretty much everything from preparing to cooking to eating to reheating and eating again, and then washing in the dishwasher. Basically, the whole idea of Omnipan is reduce the friction in your kitchen. So what Omnipan does is it takes the whole process and just same pan moving from one terrain to the other, to the other, to the other, without any friction and without creating more work for you, more cleaning for you. And then it's better for our environment because you're not using the dishwasher's liquid or powder, or by hand you're washing and just using more chemicals on your stuff. So that's one thing. Now, the second thing it helps you to totally get rid of from your kitchen is aluminum foil, plastic bags, the single-use items that are spoiling our environment, because they are the ones that are not needed anymore when you have everything done in Omnipan.
What inspired you to start Chef Avenue and create the Omnipan?
I have been always interested in cooking. Actually, interested is a very mild word. I have been obsessed with cooking and food all my life. And it was always a hobby. So I always had something else as my primary business, and food and cooking were the hobbies. But a point came in 2019 when I decided that I want to have a business that is closely related to food. So I looked at few options. Making food was a little bit difficult. So I came up with this idea of having a company that produces really great cookware that is not out there. So something unique, something that people find it useful, can inspire people to cook at home. And this was even pre-COVID. So it wasn't even during COVID, but after that, the home cooking just exploded.
When Seema saw how her son and his friends used the kitchen, or rather how they wanted to use the kitchen, she thought up a pan that would be more attractive to the millennial generation. The Omnipan's versatility is based on Seema's observation that younger people need convenience and practicality in the kitchen if they are actually going to use it. So Seema, with everything that's happened so far, what's been the most fulfilling moment of your entrepreneurial journey?
We wanted to just test the market, get understanding of if the market really needs something like this, because this Omnipan came from my head. So I just wanted some kind of validation, market validation. So we launched Omnipan on Kickstarter in April, and it was just for 1 month, just to check how the market reacts. And our goal was $10,000. If you can believe this, we have raised $340,000 until now. So we were just blown away. So the most fulfilling thing has been that people from 68 countries loved this product and backed up our project. That was like amazing and very fulfilling.
What is something you'd like to accomplish within the cookware industry?
What I would like to accomplish in cookware industry, this is my ultimate dream. It's just starting with the first product right now, Omnipan. What I really want to accomplish, and it may take time, 5-10 years, and I'm here to stay. The next product would be something that Omnipan doesn't cover, which is the cooktop. So cooktop, grill, barbecue. So we'll manage that with the next product. So this is my dream, that every area of your kitchen, maybe storage, storage, this, that. So everything that you need in the kitchen, we want to have products that are great, sustainable. We are a very environmentally conscious company. So we want to produce the products that you want in your kitchen, and you should be able to buy or get everything you need in your kitchen from Chef Family. That's my sort of ultimate dream.
Growing awareness of environmental issues means people are looking to make changes, big and small. 65% of consumers look for products that can help them live a more sustainable and socially responsible life. Sustainable cookware specifically is just starting to trend, and Chef Avenue is spot on for knowing what their customers want. Simple, multifunctional tools for the kitchen that make the whole cooking process easier. So with all this ambition, what is the biggest lesson you've learned since becoming an entrepreneur?
The fact that you need to be more prepared than what you think you are. Because having so much business experience ahead, I still feel I was not as prepared, because there is this whole shipping of physical products that I'm dealing with, which I was not prepared for. Because I just thought I just contract a shipping company, they will take care of everything, I'm done. But what's happening right now in the world is huge problems with shipping. And I'm right in the middle of it with the war going on in other countries and people from 68 countries that I need to send my product to. So it has been a huge challenge, and I did not prepare for that well, I feel.
What advice do you have for aspiring entrepreneurs?
My advice to entrepreneurs would be, first of all, do your homework, because there is always things that may not be apparent to you on the surface when you look at any business. So really dig deeper and look at what's behind the scenes. Don't just look at what meets the eye. So really do your homework, understand the business in and out, talk to people. If you have any friends who are in similar business, talk to them, or friends, talk to them and really understand everything that goes in that business.